Morning children, welcome to VPS e-learning class. Children, as you know that our revision is going on. We have completed the revision of chapter 4, that is multiplication. Now we have started the revision of chapter 5, that is division. Children, in that chapter we have discussed about the terms of division. How many terms are there in division? There are 4 terms. What are they? Quotient, dividend, divisor and remainder. Now after that we have discussed about the facts of division also. है ना? Now we have completed exercise 5A and revision of exercise 5B. Now today children we will start exercise 5C. We will start the revision of exercise 5C, that is word problem. So children, in this exercise, first I will explain you some of the questions from the same exercise. Then I will give you some questions to solve for your revision. So children, we will start now the exercise 5C revision. Children, in your examination you know as well that your revision test and worksheets which is given after the every chapters, now that will also come in exam. You have done it that in your classwork copies also, that you have to revise it or you prepare it for your examination. And tables also, tables which are coming 8 to 13. So children, on Wednesday I will take the revision test of your revision worksheet and tables. Clear? Again I am repeating, on Wednesday I will take the revision test of revision which is given after every chapter, worksheets which is given after every chapters, and the tables 8 to 13 that I will take on Wednesday. Now let's start exercise 5C. First I will explain you some question, then I will give you some question for solving. Exercise 5C, solve this word problem. So children, you can see first question is given. A society has organized a trip to Agra for all the students of the society. In all, 198 residents have agreed to go for the trip. If 22 people can fit in one minibus, how many buses will be needed for the trip? So what does this question mean, children? It means that there is a trip organized to Agra for a society. So in all, how many residents are there? 198 residents have agreed to go for the trip, and 22 people can fit in one minibus. So how many buses will be needed for 198 residents if 22 can fit in one minibus? So now let's see the solution. Now number of residents have agreed to go for the trip is equal to 198. Number of people can fit in one minibus, that is 22. Now number of buses will be needed. So what we will do? We will divide 198 by 22. So children, here you can see I have divided the sum 198 by 22. 22 nines are, when we will multiply 22 by 9, it will come 198. On subtracting 198 from 198, answer will come 0. So how many buses will be needed? 9 buses will be needed for a trip to adjust 198 people. Now question number 2. Raju Bhaiya makes bhajia and packs 8 pieces in one box. Rama has ordered 112 pieces of bhajia for her kitty party. How many boxes will Raju need to pack? So children, what does this question means? That Raju Bhaiya makes bhajia and packs 8 pieces in one box. So Ram has ordered 112 pieces of bhajia for her kitty party. So how many boxes will Raju need to pack? So how many boxes will be needed of bhajia, that we have to find out. So let's see the solution. Number of pieces of bhajia in one box, there is 8. Number of pieces of bhajia is ordered, that is 112. Number of boxes will Raju need to pack, that is 112 by divide by 8. So we will divide 112 by 8. What will come? 8 ones are 8. 11 minus 8, 3. Now we will copy down 2 here. It will become 32. 8 fours are 32 is there. So 32 minus 32 will be 0. So how many boxes are needed? 14 boxes are needed to pack 112 bhajiyas. Clear? Now we will see question number 3. Question number 3 is the cost of 26 Costco balls is rupees 884. What will be the cost of one Costco ball? So children, there are 26 Costco balls are there of rupees 884. So what will be the cost of one Costco ball? Let's see the solution. Let's see the solution of question number 3. Cost of 26 Costco balls is equal to rupees 886. Cost of one Costco ball will divide 800. Children, here it is 884. Cost of 26 Costco balls is rupees 884. Cost of one Costco ball, we will divide 884 by 26. So here you can see 26 on multiplying 3, it will come 78. We will when we will subtract 78 by 88, answer will come 10. We will copy down 4. The digit is 104. Now 26 on multiplying by 4, it will come 104. Now the remainder is 0 after after subtracting 104 by 104. So the cost of one Costco ball is rupees 34. Now question number 4. Question number 4 is a company owner distributes rupees 61,200 amongst his 72 employees as a share of profit. How much money will each employee receive? So a company owner is distributing amount of 61,200 among his 72 employees. So what a share of amount or profit you can say he will distribute among his employees. So how much money will each employee receive? How much equal amount of money each employee will receive, that we have to find in answer number 4. So solution is amount distributed by company owner among 72 employees. The total amount is 61,200. Each employee will get, we will divide 61,200 by 72. So here you can see 72 8s are 576. We will subtract it 2 and 6. So 2 will borrow 1 from here. 12 minus 6 is 6. Here it is remained 0. 0 will borrow 1 from 6. It will become 10. 10 minus 7 is 3. We will copy down 1 0. 360. 72 5s are 360 is there. So 360 minus 360 is 0. The last 0 we will copy here in the question. So the amount each employee will get, that is 850 rupees. Each employee will get 850 rupees. Now question number 5. Question number 5 is Meera has a 600 centimeter long ribbon. She cuts small pieces of 50 centimeter each from the ribbon. How many pieces must have Meera cut? So total ribbon is 600 centimeter long. She have to cut small pieces of 50 centimeter each. So how many pieces she will get from 600 centimeter long ribbon is? So the solution is Meera has ribbon 600 centimeter long. Number of pieces she cuts, it is of 50 centimeter. So how number of pieces Meera have now after cutting? 600 divided by 50. So 50 ones are 50. 60 minus 50 is 10. We will copy down 0 here. 50 twos are 100. 100 minus 100 is 0. So 12 pieces she will get from 600 centimeter long ribbon. Now question number 6. Question number 6 is a truck can load 71 cartons in one ride. If there are 639 cartons in all, how many trucks are required to transport all the cartons? So this question means there are a truck can load 71 cartons in one ride. So the total number of cartons are 639. So how many trucks will be required to transport all the cartons? So the number of trucks we have to find out. Now we will see the solution of it. Number of cartons can be loaded in one ride, that is 71. Total number of cartons are there 639. number of trucks are required. We will divide 639 by 71. So 71 nines is 639. So there are 9 trucks required for loading the 639 cartons. Answer is 9 trucks are required for loading 639 cartons. Now children, from question number 7, you have to solve by yourself for your as your revision test, that I will send the picture of it on your WhatsApp. So see from there, solve it in your copy and send it for correction. Today's homework is prepare revision test and worksheet of chapter 5. Once again I am repeating the homework. Revise revision test and worksheet of chapter 5. Thank you and have a nice day.